Hey guys, so today we are talking about 10 gifts women love for under 10 bucks.
What's up guys, welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George, this is Blake. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and today, some gifts for that special lady in your life. So Blake and I are both married now. These gifts have worked for us. These gifts have been promoted to us to get from our wives, to get for our wives. So when it comes to buying a gift for your significant other, guys, the important thing is that you put a little thought into it. It doesn't have to cost a ton of money, so all these gifts on this list cost under $10. They're super easy to find, they're very accessible, and they won't break the bank. So number one on the list, flowers, guys. Now, if you're buying flowers around Valentine's Day, they're gonna be a little more expensive. But chances are your local grocery store has a mini bouquet that you can bring home when you're picking up Fruit Loops that is gonna work just fine. And they're usually around, $6 to $9.
So up next on our list is cookies. Now, either you can buy these at your local bakery or even coffee shop, or you could get a box from the grocery store, go home and bake them at home.
Exactly, guys. It's just those little accents that make a moment or a night that much better, which brings us to our next point, wine. Guys, if your wife's cooking dinner for you and you're coming home to a cooked meal, or you're bringing dinner home and you bring a bottle of wine with that, it's just a little extra thing to celebrate that night, show you care, pick up a wine that you know she likes and not just you like. There's so many good wines for under $10. It's really unbelievable. And if you have stores like Trader Joe's in your area, most of the people there that are in the wine section will give you the recommendations. They'll know what sells through, what's really good. I've actually never had a bad bottle of wine recommended to me from Trader Joe's, and I found some for like $4 or $5 that are awesome.
All right, guys, so now up next on our list is plants. So both George and I, wives, love plants. Guys, you can get a plant for $5 at your local Home Depot. I'm not lying, and it sounds like outrageously cheap, but it is, okay? $5 will get you a nice plant or a nice succulent. And the thing about Home Depot, guys, is that they have a 1-year warranty. So if that plant dies within 1 year, you can exchange it and get a brand new plant. All right, guys, so next on our list, we have candles. Candles, I don't care who it is, everybody loves candles. I love candles, okay? Now they have a lot of candles on sale at like Target, at Ross,
Marshalls. TJ Maxx.
I actually just discovered Home Goods. Home Goods, dude, wow. Under 10 bucks.
Home Goods is owned by TJ Maxx.
I didn't know that. Okay, under 10 bucks, dude, and it's a candle, and it looks very nice. And every time your significant other is lighting that candle, they're always gonna think of you because you bought them that candle.
All right, guys, and up next on the list, doing something personal, like framing a photo of you two is going to blow her mind. Trust me, like no guys ever do that, and if you are the guy that does it, you're gonna be super thoughtful. And bonus points if it comes with a card that you hand write something in and not just sign.
It's a wrap.
If you write a little note in there, that honestly, my wife would probably take a handwritten card over gifts. And the point of this list is to do them not when it's birthdays or anniversaries or Christmas. This is kind of like the any time. That's why it's under 10 bucks. So you can do it, twice a month, if not more. All right, guys, so up next on the list is building a collection. So my wife loves these enamel pins, which she's been putting on this one bag that she has ever since we met. So now every time I travel somewhere and I see an enamel pin, I pick one up for her to remember, one, that trip, and two, that I'm thinking of her while I was on the trip.
So my wife loves magnets. So wherever we travel, whether it's just a city inside of the States or outside of the country, from let's see, New York to Switzerland, it's a pin that has like the name or something about the place that we actually visited.
You stick them on the fridge?
Yep, we put them on the side of the fridge, and every time she goes in there and at the fridge, she's always looking at it, and she goes, oh wow, remember when we were in Africa and we visited this? And I'm like, yeah. So it always sparks conversation, and guys, it literally costs under like $2, All right, guys, and number 9 on the list is something that I recently started with my wife, and it's going on ice cream dates. It's like your typical ice cream date, but guys, we go to different ice cream shops, from your local Rite Aid or Thrifty that sells your $2 ice cream to your mom and pop that sells $4 to $5 ice cream. And the thing is that we always try a different flavor, or we try a specific flavor from each different ice cream shop. And it's a lot of fun. It's really cool. On a hot day, it comes in handy, and it's just like, it takes like half an hour out of your day, and it's a ton of fun.
Last but not least, guys, I think you guys probably thought this was gonna be the first one, but bath products. You know, if you have a bathtub in your apartment, in your house, or your wife or girlfriend has one, just, you know, go to Lush, pick up a bath bomb, pick up, you know, some bath oils or something. Just
even at your local like CVS or Rite Aid or Walgreens, Dwayne Reed, they also sell like bath products, you know, that's super inexpensive. And like, I know my wife loves them, your wife loves them. I mean, shit, I love them.
I mean, they're relaxing. Yeah, I love when my wife uses bath products, so I will say that, you know, she comes out relaxed, calm, collected. Yeah.
Sorry,
you thought we were going somewhere else with that?
We were going somewhere else with that.
Just get your mind out of the gutter. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps the video. That was 10 items under $10 that your wife, girlfriend, significant other will love. Remember, guys, do this once or twice a month, not just for birthdays or anniversaries or Christmas. And, you know, that pretty much wraps up the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like us on Instagram at gentslounge, hashtag your pictures, hashtag gentslounge, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.